Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today is a very special day. We are going to make a ID generator. So it will be a generator which will generate your kind of ID, and this ID generator will generate only numbers because if we want text and all those stuffs, it will be a long process. So that's why let's begin. So let's see. So I just copy pasted a code. So now I will just explain you what is this. You don't need to actually write this now. This is just like a bit of styling, but you need to write a bit of it. Like you need to write this part, this part. This is like we are importing random, and we are importing reading from the random module. So yeah, this is just the styling. I'll show you what just happened, like what did I did. So yeah, just loading a bit, and yeah, it will say like enter a number between 10 and 1 and 10. So yeah, just yeah, so you could see this is just it, and I could write it here. I want, not really. And there you go, this is just what I created right now. um Now we will tell it to enter the times of number you want to be the numbers of it. So let's do it. Edit to, not really, because we already have an edit. So we will just give a password based on that. So I will say print. I will have to write more than this code. Print. What should we print? We should print that your answer is dash. Sorry, I'm not going to take your that much. ID, the ID, and O is equal to dash. Oh, okay, so now it will print an ID here, your ID number here. So we have to print. What we will print? Sorry, we will print A, A, or res here. That's all. Now, don't. It is saying an error that there is nothing like rest. Blah blah blah. We don't need rest right now because we have to just create a lot of variable, and then after that we have to create ton of coding. After this, it will go right. So let's say a. I will just do a bit of time slapping here because it will take a lot of time, and I don't want to waste your time. Do I? Okay, so I will just say something like how I did for the first time, second time, and then after that, I'll just time lapse it. So A is equal to radiant. What I write? Radiant. So this is a module which is radiant A to B. So we are just going to 1 to 5 maybe. Yeah, 1 to 5. Now let's just create one more for your understanding, better understanding, which is B. And that's all I have to change really. But we are going to create 10 of it, right? So we are doing it from 1 to 10. So we are going to copy it and then paste it over again and again and again. So we are back, and I just did everything that I needed to do, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, N, H, I, J, K. So let's test if it really works or not. So let's say print. Okay, so let's say res is equal to, what we have to do, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus E plus F plus A B C D E F G H I G. So yeah, it's a bit nonsense code, I know, but let's see. There is an error here. Something here. Let's see what is the error. E F G H I J. Everything's in order, it seems. Sorry for the net. I'm just changing the net. I'm back, everyone. So sorry, there was a network issue in between. Today there is a lot of power out here, so don't worry about it. Nothing to worry about now. Let's just do it like this: 34 any number because okay, my ID is 26. Why? Um, the thing is, I just added it and it is adding the result. So what can I do? I'm just teaching you a shortcut in Replit. So we are going to do CTRL plus F, which is uh, control. Yes, think it's control plus F. It will find things, and I'm going to find plus so that I will select them all and then change it them to commas. So there you go. Okay, sorry about this. We need to reload a bit. Um, yeah, it's back. So let's run it and let's see what it goes. And okay, there you go. We got the answer. The ID is 2122242244. So yeah, this is just a coincidence. Now let's do it like this. And yeah, it is getting out of our barrier. So we could just extend our barrier by 3 times maybe. No, this is just styling and we don't really need this styling, but we need this styling. I don't know why I need this styling, but this is very useless talk. We just do it like this so that we don't need barrier at that point. Okay, let's run it again and again and again. There you go. Enter a number. We will enter 2 and ID is equal to that. Now there is no border, so nothing changes. Now we could do one thing is this that much better, and we have to just copy this. Sorry about this. This is not necessary actually to do this, but I'm just doing it because I love styling. Whew. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so nothing was needed. Just forget about anything that I did. Nothing was wrong. Nothing was right. So don't worry about this. Now we are just going to remove this, and then we are going to say if int is equal to 1, then print, sorry, res will be will be like a. And now let's create second, and then I will again do a time lapse, not time lapse, like I will cut and I will just do again. So if is equal to 2, I will add b here, right here, sorry, b here. Okay, so I'm going to cut a video and then we are going to come back. Okay, everyone. So I'm just back, and we have almost, or you could say, we have finished our coding. Let's do the satisfying part of removing the code here and just running the code. What we did. So I will show you what I did before. So yeah, I just copy paste everything, and I say like A, B, C, D. You could just get a screenshot to follow me if you are following me. So yeah, you could just take a screenshot. Enough. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If they do 10, then this many password should come. I am not quite sure about this because I was just flickering with numbers and all those stuff. So let's see. ID is equal to 1 at 3. It is going cool. Now let's say like 7 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do it again. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, right. So there you go. We have created a simplest code in the world because this was simple, but it took almost 40 lines. I don't know why. I never coded it. Okay, so that was all the joke. And if you want another password generator, this was just an ID generator. Now if you want a password generator, it will generate even from numbers, symbols and alphabets. If you want that video, it will be a bigger code than this, but it will be totally worth it. And as this code is worth it, that will be also worth it. And if I get enough comments to bang my head in the wall, I will surely make it a video on that, inshallah. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.